understand what he was trying to communicate. We have made the investment not just to put blacktop on a mall surface.
With the boast about roads being built to last generations, how do we account for this thin layer of asphalt on the St. Thomas Highway?
We are building roads that can withstand these strange weather events of climate change.
Now explain how this adds up to roads being built for generations. Isn't this blacktop on marl that Unju said he was not doing? This is the new St. Thomas Highway.
To us. No, come on, Prime Minister. Come on, man. Ernisha Foster this morning. Come on. Look at St. Thomas this morning and the new bridge you gave to us.
Review of the trajectory of the storm, the likely strength and impact, the potential threats emanating, and having been notified in writing by the minister responsible for disaster preparedness and emergency management, I am now declaring the whole of Jamaica to be a disaster area in accordance with Section 26 of the Disaster Risk Management Act for the next 7 days.
So I don't understand the Prime Minister here, none at all. This man I got talk about a curfew if you start from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. or whichever one you want to say. No. I want to ask Mr. Andrew Holness something. If you think every Jamaican rich and every Jamaican have the money yesterday and the day before to prepare for this hurricane. I want to do that, man. Up to this morning, I have to come out of my bed from 5:30 go help other people back up their place. I want to the Prime Minister. Yeah, he might think.
Run out the people. I don't want everybody like you. Run out people, we are take up water. Baby feed the pumps. Whatever. And then no water. Police, they're so wicked. Stop police, they're too wicked, brother.
But the police say they will not make any exceptions.
Can you give police them authority to be doing?
I don't want them sick. What we doing on the food that we have? We never have the money for buying no food yesterday. We never have the money for...
Too little something to hold water cannot carry the water. If this rain or flood where we didn't have come in a midnight, we have thousands of family dead in St. Thomas this morning. Every house where you sit around on the back part there's a floor. See, look out there, so you have pot, you have plate, you have all type of something where wash out the people's house. No, come on, Prime Minister. Come on, man. Ernisha Foster this morning. Come on. Look at St. Thomas this morning and the new bridge you gave to us to save our family. Look at us this morning. Bed wet up, dresser wet up, fridge mash up, TV done. What we supposed to sleep on tonight? What we supposed to put our children on tonight? Come on, man.
We have a look money can buy it. What we do? We not to eat and drink. We not to pay the penny them. What we do? How we gonna loot and shoot?
Now welcome back to another Exclusive for Life. Now blessing goes out to all my viewers and all my subbies, all my well wishers. Like, share and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. Coming up in today's topic and review.
UK public send a strong message to government with landslide victory.
This is what I wanted. It's just been 14 years of the Tories and I'm so happy that it's finally going to change. Can't say I'm too happy that it's Labour, but definitely a better option.
I think it's a historic moment. I'm 20, so I've lived through 14 years of the Conservative government. It's the first time in memory that I can see a Labour government coming in, and I'm excited to see what happens.
Wow, just, not surprised, not particularly passionate for either side. It'd be nice to see if we can get some students' involvement, because no one seems to really be offering anything for students at the moment.
Let's rebuild, and I can't swear, can I? Thank God for that.
So I say experiencing a level of profound relief, coupled with a sense of malaise as well, because I think there's just a bit of expectancy as to how this is really going to go. What is this majority going to entail?
We won. I can go sleep now. It's all red. We paint the town, the country red. We paint the town, we paint the country red. Ooh, a different devil. But make sure it's a better devil. Gotta be a better devil. Labour, after almost 15 years.
Mark Golding congratulates Sir Keir Starmer on winning UK election. On behalf of the People's National Party, I wish to express our congratulations to the British Labour Party on what is looking likely to be a landslide victory in today's general election, bringing to an end 14 consecutive years of Conservative government in the UK. We look forward to working closely with a new, progressive UK government in the coming years on matters of mutual interest and concern, led by my colleague Sir Keir Starmer, who I met with when he was DPP and I was Minister of Justice.
So why we going to trust a British subject we have our best interest?
Andrew Holness, congratulations Sir Keir Starmer on your decisive victory in the UK's general elections. I look forward to working with you on creating a greener and safer world even as we enhance trade, investment, cooperation, and people-to-people ties between Jamaica and the UK, home to one of our largest diaspora populations.
So why we going to trust a British subject we have our best interest?
Global unity.
You better we stick with the evil where we know, evil where we know, evil where we know, evil where we know, Andrew Holness.
I just want to make sure we're alright.
We're not alright. We're not alright. We're not alright. We're not alright.
You want to parliament? Who you want? Who you want? Who you want?
Yeah, I want food now.
Boy, I better tell you say, people, this a Beryl here our way to a damn hurricane. Beat a jewel, this at the government body now. Kite the show them up in everywhere. Now what's a jewel is run out for them. Poor hungry belly people and they were asked if them alright. They might say me not alright, but hungry but want to chop holiday a jewel is two chop holiday what? Remember me tell them about a jewel just make a U-turn and say you no love too much handout. So, uno labor right, the good of figure supper for the bad and him just say lockdown. Check out what him say.
Review of the trajectory of the storm, the likely strength and impact, the potential threats emanating, and having been notified in writing by the Minister responsible for disaster preparedness and emergency management, I am now declaring the whole of Jamaica to be a disaster area in accordance with Section 26 of the Disaster Risk Management Act for the next 7 days. All Jamaica should note that following on this declaration, an island-wide curfew will be in effect between the hours of 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. tomorrow, Wednesday, the 3rd of July, 2024. This is to ensure the safety of everyone during the passage of the storm and prevent any movement with the intent to carry out criminal activity.
Now viewers, talk truth. You know, say Mr. Andrew Holness really don't care about poor people because the brother say I'm going to lock down poor people after the storm because he might prevent them from thief. I insult him, I insult get the people, I chat about to the people, them are thief. Now you have some people never did have it to them road out for him now.
Lisa, come.
Black the way for out there, sir.
I want them to check out some of them people a message to Andrew Holness, cause you know I hear that thing that.
I don't understand the Prime Minister here, none at all. This man I got talk about the curfew if you start from 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. or whichever one you want to say. No. I want to ask Mr. Andrew Holness something. If you think every Jamaican rich and every Jamaican have the money yesterday and the day before to prepare for this hurricane. I want to do man. Up to this morning, I have to come out of my bed from 5:30 to go help other people button up their place. I want to the Prime Minister. Yeah, he might think. Yo, them something get me mad in this place, you know, man. How you feel like that fucking curfew place and people people need help. People need help. This morning, me go clear a way go help people. I talk about curfew, a bomb buck that no people might eat or drink or sleep. You know how the roofing set? Half of the people ain't even at work. Like me not work right now. Me not working right now. Someone want to know how you think me go stack up from yesterday for today. I want to the Prime Minister here, man. Me never disseminate about my tell say, you see that thing I was saying out? A foolishness. I'm upset over it. Me upset over it. Because it don't make no sense. Up to this man, I have 2 rooftop me depend and try to help people. Where are you? Cock up in your big mansion, not true? You care about the local them? You care about the poor people in Jamaica? Man, you better go and lock up in your blood clot room and nothing here, man. Just left the country as it is. Because you don't care about it anyways. Leave it as it is. Make we figure out your own stress. Your own self. Because you're not there for us. How much food is out from morning? How much supermarket they call and say right off a bill for the poor people them from morning? From yesterday. How much? How much supermarket they call and say, Mr. Chung, alright, do this much for this ghetto area. Do this much. How much of them do? How much of them do? You talk about people figure on a curfew. If the storm they been started, they say people don't loot nothing. You talk about curfew. People still try to get themselves prepared for what coming ahead. You talk about curfew. Are you fit turn in your house, man? Can you nothing for do? Turn in your house and top chat.
No, you see what I say, but fully understand what this lady is saying because storm are coming up. And the people them don't even know if them are gonna be alive after the storm, but this man already make plans to the people them say, well, active dog. Cha God. Here we are going to suck. I must feel like so the people of Jamaica have it. Them not have it. What we are going?
Run out the people. Run out people. We take up water. Baby feed the pump pots. And then water. Police they so wicked. Stop police they too wicked, brother. You can't so wicked, my general. Everybody knows that sound come, but the money never right time. Everybody out there store. Lucky store and cashew nut. And you give police them authority to be doing.
I don't want them to sick. What we doing on the food that we have? We never have the money for buying no food yesterday. We never have the money for chop up. Today we have a little money can buy the food. What we do? We not for eat and drink. We not for pay the penny there. What we do? Where we gonna loot and shoot?
But the police say they will not make any exceptions.
Watch the people there. And watch the police there. Love the fuckery.
Now as you can see, these people just want to have fun and celebrate life For those of them survive the storm, and this man come tell them about lock them down after storm. And the pressure they want to put the people them through. The people them want out and enjoy the weather. Enjoy life. Say thank God they make it. Papa Jesus, before you can be a food, go get the people them. You have to chat about lock down the people them. And you not can food, go get the people them.
Our neighbor put me up, everything gone. When me wake up, not even nothing me no see, but one piece of old bed where people them bring out the door and lie down. Not at all. Furniture, everything, me no come see nothing, cause I can't breeze blow them where I have somebody take them where still.
Yo, when a big man notice, me say a be about the Andrew plan. Business is my plan. Be about the business. In my plan. This is the April in our country. Be about them. She say Andrew no good boy. She say Andrew want to teach youth them how to party in a school. Want to take money from Canada. To teach youth them about party. Andrew got dead. You know what I say? Andrew got dead. Andrew sacrificed himself. I know him doing right. And you know I'm gonna go kill him. You know I'm gonna go kill him. That's what I say. Hey man, you have money. That money can't save him. Money can't save him, you know. He does a fuck up. I know say yo, all we can do is just fuck up. You can't do nothing more. You don't make a sacrifice for your own self and fuck up. You know what I mean?
As you know, the fire truck come, the bridge is broken. See there, the bridge broken, the fire truck is broken. Serious events happening in the community. The fire truck got on the bridge, and the bridge totally destroyed. The fire truck now. So we want to see who has done this in our community. See there, we are looking at our community to see what is happening. A fire, somebody lit a fire in our community under the bridge. It's plastic underneath there, and all the cable wires are there. So pretty soon we won't have any internet or anything in the community. It is the internet that is underneath there, and that is it. Pretty soon we won't have all the internet. We're asking respective areas to look, and the road is there. It won't happen, so we're gonna have to look. So look at it. See there, cooling on the fire truck. And see there.
Yo, when Jamaica go to blood clot better, brother? When Jamaica go to better, we tell her this fuck ya, man.
This is what is going on here, so now. So, Farm Primary and Junior High School. Right there. So the road block off, and this was what you see the fire truck in. This big hole, you see this thing? No. This is the surface of the road. This is where the fire truck dropped, right over here. Can you imagine? Look at this. Look where all the road. If me I go drop in there? Yeah, me can drop in there and come back up, man.
When Jamaica go to better, we tell her this fuck ya, man. Just on my phone and my blood clot lap and the dirty pussy clot, batty boy police. Give me a $10,000 bomber clot ticket. I go tell me say the phone on my lap. The phone now, yo, the phone bomber clot dead, brother. I say, brother, I'm up on a car, brother. I'm sure I'm up on a car. You have seats, I'm up on a car. R. The bomber clot, phone not ringing, the phone not working, the phone fucking dead. And the man at them say, boy, the phone at the position, I'm supposed to get a ticket. Yo, let me tell you something, man. Jamaica, go down. Because watch you now. The government take away money too easy. We work so fucking hard for it, brother. You understand? We work so fucking hard for your blood clot money. Hardly can pay your pussy clot bills them. You understand? I'm not going to find fucking $10,000 I pay for blood clot phone and not working. The phone dead. You understand me? I say, brother, we're tired of this bumbo clatter, brother. We're tired of this, brother. Because enough of them police and no responsibility. When they work for them money, all they buy a be a pussy with it. You understand? We have to work for money and take care of youth. Because them enough of them are girl then. Enough of them don't get no youth. Enough of them live with their mama same way. Some like a young boy will come around and go like my police. And it's not a police, it's a clot, man. We're tired of this bumbo clatter, man. Can't take it no more, brother. We're tired of it pussy clot. Government take your money too easy, brother. To pussy clot easy. Every minute they come with something else, brother, to take your money. What they left for pussy clot? Right, I got broke out of Jamaica, brother. Right, I got broke out of Jamaica, brother. You understand me? I say, tired of it bumbo clot, man.
This drain, look on the drain. Under flood. Look at the new drain. This drain is not built since not even here. This drain, look on the drain. Too little something to hold water. Cannot carry the water. If this rain or flood where we didn't have come in a middle night, we have thousands of family dead in St. Thomas this morning. Every house where you sit around on the back part, there's a floor. See, look out there, so you have pot, you have plate, you have all type of something where wash out of people's house. No, come on, Prime Minister. Come on, man. Ernisha faster this morning. Come on. Look at St. Thomas this morning and the new bridge you gave to us for save our family. Look at us this morning. Bed wet up, dresser wet up, fridge mash up, TV done. What we supposed to sleep on tonight? What we're supposed to put our children on tonight? Come on, man. Somebody need to come to St. Thomas to talk to St. Thomas people. It is not right. We can't live this way. Come on, we are asking for some assistance in St. Thomas. We need some serious assistance in St. Thomas. This bridge, I beg you want to help over here, sir. Look over here, sir, again, sir. Look there, sit there. So our fridge there, out of one house that wash come straight out there, sir. That's a fridge. Come out of a family house, them not have a fridge anymore to comfort them children. Look by here, sir. Look at what they build and leave for us. In St. Thomas, this is what the work where they give us in Spring Pass, St. Thomas. Look at it. This is a new structure done built not even 6 months good. And look at the structure, look at the life that we are facing in St. Thomas, and look how we are living in St. Thomas. Come on, man, we are people. We put you where you is, man. Do something for we. See with this man and send somebody. Come see with this man and we need badly assistance. Look over there, sir. See me blender here. It gone out of my house. Me not have no more. Me not have a bed for sleep on later. Me put it in now for sleep. We need to come here, come assist we. We need some.
It is time to free the Jamaican people from the deep sense of frustration and oppression that comes from a system that is not working for the majority of our people.